Let me show you exactly how I made my first $100 online using nothing but AI tools. No special skills, no expensive software, just a smart strategy and a bit of consistency. And the best part, you can start doing the same thing today, right after you finish watching this video. First things first, I needed an idea. So I went straight to ChatGPT to research trending topics and online income streams. I kept my prompts simple, asking things like, what digital products can I sell with AI tools? Or give me 10 ideas for an AI-powered side hustle. Within seconds, I had a massive list of possibilities, everything from faceless YouTube videos and digital ebooks to AI voiceovers and social media management. After looking through the options, I decided to pick one simple, manageable idea to start with: creating AI-generated short videos. It felt achievable and perfect for a beginner. Next, it was time for the fun part: content creation. I used a combination of two powerful tools, Kaiber.ai and Canva. Kaiber is seriously cool. It can transform a plain image into a lively animated video, making your content way more eye-catching. I jumped into Canva to design professional-looking thumbnails and add text overlays to my videos. My goal was to create short, engaging clips just like the one you're watching right now. I focused on making the content valuable and quick to consume. Over the next few days, I managed to create and upload 5 different videos, all made using the free versions of these AI tools. Once my content was ready, I published it on YouTube Shorts and also repurposed it for TikTok to maximize my reach. I was just focused on putting content out there consistently. But here's where it got really interesting. One of my YouTube Shorts unexpectedly started gaining traction and hit a few thousand views. Seeing that little spike in traffic, I decided to act. I found an affiliate program for one of the AI tools I was using and placed the affiliate link right in my video description and a pinned comment. And that is exactly how I made my first $100 purely from people clicking that link and signing up. It was all from affiliate commissions. Now, I know $100 might not sound like a life-changing amount of money, but for me, it was everything. It was the proof I needed that this system actually works. From there, you can scale it up. You can create more videos, experiment with different AI tools, and build traffic across multiple platforms. The real secret is consistency. Don't just make one video and give up. Keep publishing. Once you hit your first $100, that next goal of $500 feels so much closer and more achievable. If you found this breakdown helpful and are excited to kickstart your own AI side hustle, smash that subscribe button. If you're really feeling this, drop AI hustle in the comments below. If I see enough of you, I'll drop my next video on how to automate making $500 a month with these AI tools. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to keep hustling smart.